I was just indulging in one of my favorite pastimes, sleeping. Which reminds me, we get a lot of letters here asking me to name my 10 favorite things in the whole world to do. Well, here they are in no particular order. May I have the screen, please? Number 1, sleeping. Number 2, eating. Number 3, sleeping and dreaming about eating. Number 4, and this one's a tricky one, eating while sleeping. Number 5, sleeping on my other side. Number 6, mailing normal to Abu Dhabi. Here, notice I did not mark it fragile. Number 7, 8, and 9 are all more easy. Which brings us to number 10. Number 10, my favorite thing in the whole world to do, and amazingly, it involves neither eating nor sleeping. It's watching Odie being tormented by squirrels. I shall now demonstrate. Watch. This is going to be your favorite thing in the whole world. What did I tell you? This is great. Oh, those squirrels.